Distance and surface measurements. The measurement functions can be activated in two ways. The first one uses the Tools menu. Expand it and select Measure. It's possible to select the distance or 2D area. The other method is to use the measuring toolbar. To select the desired option, click the left mouse button on the relevant icon. First, choose the distance, and then measure. Let's experiment with measuring the width of the roadway. To begin, click the left mouse button. A second click ends the measurements. The coordinates have appeared giving the start and end points and the difference. Based on this, the software calculates the distance. It's also possible to take a measurement to catch height differences. Apparently, the vertical difference between the points is 0. In order for the program to calculate the vertical distance, the snap control option must be enabled. In this way, it's possible to reach a specific point in the cloud during measurement, which has a defined height coordinate. Again, when measuring with the snap option turned on, the slope, horizontal, vertical distance are calculated. With the tool, the software also calculated the gradient of the slope. The window can be closed. It is now possible to measure the area of the pitch. To do so, select the area to the icon. Each left click creates a breakdown point. The right mouse button ends and closes the polygon. This is how the pitch is measured.